Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Desi lasagna. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including ground meat, lasagna noodles, and a variety of aromatic spices. Prepare your tomato base by sautéing ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Ensure all vegetables are finely chopped for even cooking and have your cheese blend ready. This initial preparation sets the stage for a flavorful meal. Next, we'll craft the heart of our lasagna, the Desi meat sauce. Brown your ground meat with finely diced onions until no pink remains. Incorporate a generous blend of traditional Desi spices, such as garam masala and turmeric, for authentic flavor. Stir in your prepared tomato base and let it simmer gently for about 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Now for the exciting part, assembling your Desi lasagna. Begin by spreading a thin layer of your flavorful meat sauce at the bottom of a baking dish. Carefully place a single layer of cooked lasagna noodles over the sauce. Continue alternating layers of meat sauce, noodles, and a creamy cheese mixture. Ensure each layer is evenly distributed for a perfectly balanced and delicious bite. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Cover the lasagna with foil and bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Remove the foil for the last 15 minutes to achieve a golden brown, bubbly cheese topping. Let the lasagna rest for 10 minutes after baking. This helps it set beautifully. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade Desi lasagna.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.